Hello guys, welcome to Nest for Code, the place where code nourish. We are in 30 days coding challenge. Let's see the day 10 problem. Count the occurrence of word in different way. Okay, let's move on to the problem statement. So we have to write a program which will be taking one string as an input and we have to search a given word also in the strings. Okay, and we have to search the word in different formats like as given, like whatever is the word as given as input. The other case it can be like we have to also search the word in the lower case and also in the upper case, and we have to print the occurrence for all the three cases, right? So we have to search that word in the three ways, right? In these three formats in the given string. Okay, and these are the given input output formats, right? String to search in, word to search, and these should be the count like this, right? Okay guys, so let's see the problem solution. Okay, so in this case, right, our program will consist of input, logic, and output part, right? In the input, what we'll be getting, right? So you can see the format also from here, string to search in, right? So first input will be, we can store it in a variable, right? String, and we can say here we can just print the message string to search in. We can print into similar also whatever is given in the sample, right? String to search in, right? Yeah. Next thing what it will be like the word we want to search, right? So we can ask the user and the message we print as word to search, right? Yeah. Okay guys. So these will be the two inputs that we'll be getting. Yeah. So as per the problem statement, we have to search using three form, and we also have to print the occurrence, the number of times the word is occurring in the given string, as given, lowercase and the uppercase. So guys, in Python we have a count method which can count a word or a substring in a string, right? So using that we can count this given word in the string, right? So what we'll do in this given string, when you will count, right, we can just use the count word here, right? This is a count method, right? And what will pass here, whatever the word we want to search. So okay, we'll just see a sample here, right? So guys, let us suppose we have a string say hello, right? And we want to search say L in this, right? We can just use count method, and here we can pass a substring or a character which we want to search. And when we press this, it's coming as 2, right? Its occurrence is 2. Like this we can search a substring also, a word also, right? Okay, so here this will give us a count for as given, right? Whatever the input word was, this will give us the count for that case, right? The next thing is we want to count also for the lower case, right? Lower case. So we'll say count lower also. So in Python we also have a method to convert a string to lower case, right? So we can just say word dot lower and we'll get a lower form of that word. So like if I show you example, like if I do string 1 dot lower, now it's this hello is in lower case. So we can use directly that also here. And once this word is converted to lower case, then we'll count it in the given string and we get the count for the words in the lower case for the string. Similarly, we want to search for upper also, right? And in Python, similarly, we also have a upper method which convert the given string to the uppercase, right? So you can see this hello is converted to the uppercase. So here what we will do, we'll just take the input string and we'll try to count this word and we'll do upper. So now it will count the upper occurrence of this word. So one option can be we can store this in variables and then pass in here, or we can just use directly also here. So both is the correct way, right? In the output what we want, so I think this is our logic part which is done. We have got all the three counts, right? But in the output what we want to print the count for all the cases, right? So we'll say just count and then we'll give as given lowercase uppercase. Okay, so we'll just print count and then we'll print as given, right? And here it will be the count as given. Similarly, we'll print lowercase and it will be count lower, and also uppercase and it will be count upper, right? Okay, let's, so this will be our program. Okay, so guys, let's try to run it for the given test cases, right? So let's go with the first test case. This is a string which is given. We just copy this string and then let's try to execute this, right? And what the word we want to search? It's A in caps and B in small, right? So it's coming as 224. Let's match, right? It's working as expected. Okay guys, let's try to run our program for the second case also, right? Because we should try out for all the cases, or we can try out other cases also, guys, right? So this is our given string. And guys, I also recommend you to try this problem your own also. Yeah, and we have to do it for what? Search is, right? Okay. And it's coming as 1 to 1. Yeah, so it's working as expected, right? So guys, try out this problem your own. And like if you have not gone through the string session, I would recommend you to go through the string session also once. Yeah guys, don't forget to hit the like button and also add your comments and share it with the friends also, right? So they can also try out these problems. And don't miss out to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss all these awesome videos. Thank you guys. Stay tuned.